All right, what's up, guys? Pretty dark. I got some requests for night shots of this Luxe Auto midsmoke stealth tint. It's the full tint. Still puts out a good amount of light. Go ahead with a cold start. Well, it's best cold start we can get here in July in Alabama. I mean, they look like they're almost just as bright as what they was before to me. It might have took a little bit of the edge off of it. That's about it. Back up some. And of course, the flashing lights would be close to what the brake lights would be without the third one up top, of course. I'd say, yeah. It's pretty sweet, looks great during the daytime, nice stealthy look. It's a mid-smoke tint, so you still get a nice amount of light shining through it. Like it. Thanks for tuning in, guys.